Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming a few essentials. Sign into your Google account and make sure the Docs app is installed and updated. Once done, open the app from your home screen or app drawer so you can proceed immediately. Make sure mobile data or Wi-Fi is active and the app has storage and account permissions. These let Docs sync your files. You're ready to move into opening an existing file or creating a new document. Let's continue to the app interface and file access. You'll now navigate the app to find the document you need. Tap the search field to type a file name or use recent and starred tabs to surface active files quickly. Once you see your document, tap to open it. Long press a file to reveal actions like rename, move, or share so you can organize before editing. If you prefer, filter by owner or modify date to narrow results. This makes retrieving the right doc faster and helps you prepare it for online. You finish by editing and sharing. Tap the pencil icon to enter edit mode and use the formatting toolbar to change text, lists, or styles. Once done, tap share to invite collaborators and set viewer, commenter, or editor permissions so others can work with you. To complete, exit and confirm changes sync to Google Drive. If the file won't open, make sure sync is enabled, clear app cache or storage space, and as a last step, reinstall the app. That usually resolves persistent access issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.